Serve ako ng food. Tapos cashier. So ngayon guys, moving slow talaga ang lola nyo. Napaka-slow ng store ngayon. Okay, I'm going down now. I have to take my break. Hey Joe!
Hello, how are you?
You're so full of energy every day.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I try to be. I'm very tired right now. I was just running around helping so many people.
Yeah, every time I see you, oh, hello.
Oh, really? Oh, that's good. How you doing? Grabbing a burger? Not your thing?
Not my thing.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
I respect that.
Maybe I'll do the corn or the fries.
Just fries? Yeah.
Let me grab some. Yeah. The onions. Kumain ako kanina ng maraming gulay. I mean, wala namang masama kung ulitin ko. Pero naumay na kasi ako. Tapos yung fries, konti lang kinuha ko. Pero siguro, hindi ko kakainin lahat. Kasi, wala lang. Carbo na rin kasi. Ate, nag-film ako. Parang wala ka man makain dito. Abay ate. It's really running slow today, so maybe that's why I can film. I think this is Leo's. So guys, nililipat ako sa baba. Cafeteria. Pak. Okay. Ano lang naman to, waste. So, hindi siya kailangang ma-rush kasi waste lang naman. Yan. Ikaw. You can tap whenever you're ready. Thank you so much. So, maghuhugas ako ng mga kailangan hugasan sa pagbabarista. Nas punasan tayo ng upuan dito. Dadaling ko to sa baba. Itong buo na yan. Magbaba ako. And, okay. So guys, ito yung itsura ng kabila. Kasi nandito lang kami sa kabila. Sa Tahoe Provisions. And, yeah, we're about to close. So, ito. Dadalhin ko siya sa front desk kasi report siya. Ganun yung trabaho ko. Like, ito, kailangan ko mag-stocks dyan. Lahat. Okay guys, pa-conjuring na to. Pagod na ako. Bukas day off ko. Magpapa-laundry kami. Then maybe we'll go to the Hidden Beach. Should I do the vlog tomorrow? I didn't get the chance to take a video of my friends because we're working. Palit na ako. And congrats to me. Congrats to you. Kasi natapos pa yung vlog. Okay, OA. Sorry kung medyo paputol-putol yung vlog kasi nakakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Like, nakafocus kasi ako. Tapos ang dami nangyayari. I mean, basta parang nasanay na ako na hindi talaga ako nag-vlog. So, I hope you enjoyed my videos. This is just for the memories. So, good night everybody. Maghuhugas na ako. Maliligo na ako. Hindi ko alam. Pagod na ako. Dami kong ginagawa. Bye guys.